In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create multiple email sequence in Constant Contact. To begin, log into your Constant Contact account. Once you are inside the dashboard, go to the Campaigns tab. This is where you manage and create your marketing emails and automations. After you open Campaigns, click Create, and then select Automation. This will take you into the Automation Setup area where you can start building your email sequence. Next, choose the trigger for your automation. The trigger is what tells Constant Contact when to start the sequence for a contact. After selecting the trigger that fits your goal, click Build My Own. This option gives you more control over the structure of your sequence, which is especially helpful when you want to send multiple emails over time instead of just a single message. From there, select the target contact list. This is the audience that will receive the sequence, so make sure you choose the correct list before moving forward. Keeping your list organized is important because the right contacts need to enter the right automation. Now you can create your first email. This is the first message your contacts will receive once they enter the sequence. Take your time here and make sure the content matches the purpose of the automation. Your first email often sets the tone for everything that follows, so clarity and relevance are important. After the first email is ready, click the plus Add to Series button to add the next emails in your sequence. Each time you do this, you are extending the automation path and creating another touch point for your audience. This is useful for welcome series, follow-up campaigns, or any ongoing communication flow. Between each email, set the time delay by clicking the delay block between steps. The delay controls how long Constant Contact waits before sending the next email. This part is important because proper spacing helps your sequence feel intentional and prevents contacts from getting too many messages at once. Continue adding emails and setting delays until your full sequence is complete. As you build, review the order carefully so that the messages flow in a logical way from one email to the next. Once everything looks right, review your full path one final time and click Activate to launch the automation. At that point, your multiple email sequence will be live and ready to send according to the trigger, list, and delays you selected. That covers everything you need to know.